Hello student, in this section of video we will learn some concept related to the LCM. Now the concept is the least number which when divided by x, y and z leaves the same remainder r in each case can be calculated by LCM of x, y, z plus r. See, this statement is very much important because this statement will help us to solve the question based on this concept. Now this will be more clear with the given example. For example, find the least number which when divided by 3, 8 and 5 leaves remainder 2 in each case. Now this is the question, and this question is based on the above statement. Now see how it will be solved. LCM of 3, 8 and 5. Now we will calculate the LCM of 3, 8 and 5. See, 3, 8 and 5, it will be divided by 2. We are having 3, 4 and 5 after dividing. Now again we will divide with 2. We will have 2, 3 actually, 2, 5. Then again we will divide with 2. Then we are having 3, 1, 5. Then we will divide by 3. Then we will be having 1, 1, 5. Then finally by 5. Now 1, 1 is seen in the lower column. Now LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This will be 120. Now the required number is LCM of 3, 8, 5 plus 2. That will be 120. So 122 is the number which when divided by given number C 3, 8 and 5, then we will always get 2 as our remainder, and this proves the above statement over here. I hope you have understand this concept and remember this statement, because if you remember this statement then only you will be able to solve a question like this based on this statement. I will again narrate this statement, that is the least number which when divided by x, y and z leaves the same remainder r in each case can be calculated by LCM of x, y and z plus r. I hope you have understand this concept. Solve more and more concept on solve more and more question on this concept, and this concept will be more clear to you. This will not help you in the current academic session, but this will also help you in the competition examination also for the non-technical section. Stay blessed, stay at home since lockdown is increased up to 3rd of May. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.